What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from $0 to $1,000 just using Shopify, just selling face masks on Facebook. So if this is something you guys want to see in the future or more of this kind of content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and that'll really help me out by showing this off to more people. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to be doing this all based on my phone. So nowadays, if you have a phone, you can make money anywhere. All you need is a phone and a wireless connection, and that's all you need basically. So let me show you how I did it. It might be a little bit different how you're doing it or planning on doing it, but this is really how it is. So just to show you guys my stats basically, let me show you guys full screen. Just a little over $1,100 in the week. But if you see here, I didn't do anything on Monday or Tuesday. So basically the week for me started on Wednesday, because that's when I really started selling, or basically put it in the market. So how did I get $1,000, you might ask? Well, basically, let me just show you. Yesterday, just a little over $300. Today, it's been a little bit slower by making just under $200, which it's still fine because literally all I did today was play Fortnite or Call of Duty. So if you guys want to do Shopify, set up your own Shopify account, or just make passive income while you're actually working your 9-to-5 job, this is another great resource to do as well. And as you guys can tell from right here, let it focus a little bit. All I'm selling is face masks. So hopefully it loads just to show you what I'm selling. A lot of people on YouTube are not being discreet on what they're selling because they're scared the people watching their videos might take their ideas. I'm completely honest with you guys. I want to just tell you straight from the source. So this is what I'm selling. I'll show you in a little bit throughout the video where I get it from, how much I get it from, and how much I sell it for. So I'm selling these for $15 each, as you guys can see right there. $15, 15, 15, and boom, 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 whatever. You can ignore that. And then just to show you guys that I only do this on Facebook, let me open up my Facebook really quick and how I do this. The only issue that I have been having, because once again, I'm being straight up with you guys, is sometimes Facebook automatically reviews it. They might deny it, they might accept it, who knows at this point. So I go to Facebook, and a key to get it out there, because look, just to show you guys once again, Shopify, these numbers are really low, right? 25 visitors today, but I made $200 roughly. Yesterday I made $330, but only had 33 visitors. And then this week I made a little over 1,000, and I only had that many visitors. So my conversion rate is really, really high. So I'm gonna show you guys throughout this video why that is. So once again, we're gonna go back to Facebook. And I don't have a personal Facebook. I just made a Facebook just for Shopify, just for my brand, and it's been working. So as you guys can see here, Marketplace is the way to go. This is where people buy and sell their own products. And I was like, oh, you know, I'm gonna take advantage of this. I'm gonna put my website in there. I'm gonna sell these face masks, and it worked out for me. Sorry about that. For some reason, my memory card ran out of storage. So here you go. You go to listings, and then what I did is I went to my local listings. So I live in one city, obviously, and I looked for listings all around my city. That way, let me just show you guys real quick. This is my listing currently under review. That's why it's slowed down, but this is what I'm going with. So as you guys can see here, these are all the listings that I have my face masks under, and I'm selling it for $15 each on Facebook as well. So Southgate Buy and Sell, Southgate Downey, HP, Sell Trade, Online Swap Meet, and you get the idea. And as you guys can see here, 33 people shared my listings, that many people saved it, and so on. So if you look at all the messages, non-stop, all day, yesterday, the last 2-3 days, non-stop. I'm doing this fast so you guys don't see like the messages and stuff like that, but you know what? Here it is. They messaged me saying, is it still available? Yes, it is. Boom. You guys can pause the video. Still have it? Yes, we do. Do I have to pay online? Boom, boom, boom. It only takes 4 days. Boom, boom, boom. So that's basically everything. every single one of those messages, that's basically what I respond to them, and that's basically what happens until I get the sale. So all you have to do as a buyer, you're probably like, where do you get these face masks? Where do you supply that? So if you have Shopify or you're not familiar with it, there's actually an app in Shopify. If you go to the apps, it's called Oberlo. Oberlo is basically your plug. It could get you everything you want for your store, and it's all in one click. So as you guys can see, okay, sorry about that. That's the second time it happened, and this is the second USB or memory card that I'm using. So okay, where did I leave off? Oberlo. So basically this is the plug. This is what's going to help you get the sales with all the items, everything. It's just one click. So just to show you, I'm selling everything. Once again, let me just show you really quick. Go on my website. I'm selling, plug JesusClothing.com. But I'm selling these masks, once again, 15 bucks each. We'll go back to Oberlo, my products. Let it load really quick. I'm supposed to have really good Wi-Fi, supposedly. And then open original. So it's gonna take you to my source. This is all done in Oberlo, but it takes me to my source, which is AliExpress as well, or Alibaba. This is where you could contact suppliers from China or somewhere where you could get the merchandise really, really cheap. So in this case, I'm getting the masks for roughly around 26 cents to $3, and I'm selling it for $15. So it's a good price, good profit margins right there, and you could use the pictures they have on file, and basically that's it. So just to show you guys a really quick example of how it all works is, like, just to go on my website, let's say you want to buy a face mask. Really quick how it works: you go to my website, or any website in that case, you choose the item, you press add to cart, blah blah blah, whatever, everyone knows what to do. And then as soon as they press checkout, or they put their info and buy now, that money goes into your Shopify account. So with that $15, it goes into your Shopify account, or it could go into your PayPal account if you have it set up that way. And with those $15, you could go on Alibaba and buy it for 26 cents. So that's basically it. All you need to do, it's not like you're gonna need to get a loan, buy all the merchandise, none of that. These $15 plus maybe $5 of shipping and handling, which goes to you as the owner, goes into your account on Shopify or PayPal or whatever, and you can use that money to buy it from AliExpress, Alibaba, whatever. So basically with $0, you could turn this into 1,000 just like I did. So let me just show you guys my track record really quick. Let me go back. Okay, so let me show you guys really quick my notifications. Okay, oh, that's another thing. I'm gonna make a separate video for this, but just to show you guys really quick, messages, blump blump blump, come on, load, boom. This is another topic on another video that if you guys enjoy, I'm gonna be talking about this. I'm gonna be buying these chargers in bulk. So that's why I'm messaging people from like manufacturers, people that are able to supply me this in like huge quantities. And so yeah, that's a sneak peek of that. But this is basically how it looks like. When people buy from your website, boom, 7 items totaling 105, 2 items for 30 bucks, 1 item for 24, 16, 240. PayPal, shout out to Kills, stuff like that. Damn, the stock market's low. That's another video I could also do, but yeah, that's basically another reason or another way you guys can implement Shopify with Facebook without spending money on advertisements, because trust me, I've done that. I've spent several hundreds just on advertisements. Look at all these messages from people wanting to buy these face masks, all nonstop, all day. Oh my god, it gets crazy, but it's well worth it. So the only thing that it's slowing me down right now is it is under review. So hopefully they get to see that it's well under guidelines, hopefully. And yeah, we get this ball rolling. So that's gonna be it for now. It's gonna be a super short video, but I'll see you guys next time.